Okay, so in part one we figured out how many grams of sodium acetate I would need. Now I got to figure out how much of the acetic acid I would need. So the first step for this, which I guess we could call step 5, would be to find out what the concentration of that acid solution is that I'm working with. So I was told that I mixed 175 milliliters of a 3.0 molar stock solution with another 175 milliliters of water. So if I look at that, 175 milliliters of water plus 175 milliliters of my stock solution gives me 350 total milliliters. I have one volume, I have another volume, I have one concentration, and what I need to find is what the concentration of that new solution is. This is simply a C1, B1 formula. So B2, C2. Kind of scrambled them up there, but no big deal. So I know my new volume is 350 total milliliters. It's that new concentration that I do not know. A piece of cake. So what I get here is 350 X equal to 175 times 3. So X is going to be 175 times 3 over 350. X is equal to 1.5 molar. So now what I think is helpful is to slow down for a second. We'll do step 6 and find out what is that 1.5 moles per liter or molar solution telling me. So if I look at 1.5 spell it out as moles per liter, and everything else so far I've kind of been working in milliliters. Let's convert this into moles per milliliter. Easy enough, right? If I put liter on the top here and I put 1,000 here, because I know that there are 1,000 milliliters in a liter, those two are going to cancel out, and I'm going to do the multiplication, or sorry, division. 1.5 moles divided by 1,000 gives me 0.0015 moles per milliliter. Running out of page there. So if I know that I have 0.0015 moles in 1 milliliter, is it that hard to go back to my original problem and say, hey, it's telling me I need 240 moles of acid. So how many milliliters is that going to take? Simple ratio and proportion. I know there's 0.0015 moles per milliliter based on the molarity, and I was asked to come up with 0.240 total moles. So I can set that guy up just like that. 0.0015x is equal to 0.240 times 1. X is equal to 0.240 over 0.0015. Or X is equal to 160 milliliters. So that's it. 160 milliliters of acetic acid. So the answer to my problem then would be, take a flask if you want to spell it out, and these answers are good enough as they are, but I would take a flask that would hold 500 milliliters. I would add 160 milliliters of acetic acid, or I would start with my water, then I put the acetic acid in, I put my 4.639 grams of sodium acetate, I QS up to my 500 milliliter mark, and voila, I'm done. Not too big and nasty, right?